In this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy trick on how to be earning gift card without any investment. All you need is your time and your smartphone with an internet connection. If you're new to my channel, do well to leave a like and a subscription in this video. To get started, so this is the sign up page. All you have to do is to enter your email, your username and your password, then click on join now. Then you are ready to access this website. Right here on your home page, you can see the daily rewards. So every day you come right here to claim your daily rewards. Then you can also verify your email. You get instant 50 karma points, and you can use my referral code to get 300 karma points. Once you've completed the above, here you can see list of offers you can complete. Here are list of offers you can complete, and these offers are refreshed every time. And as you can see, they are offering bonus right now, so I advise you to rush this website right now. On this website, you can earn points for doing anything. For example, when you refer your friends, you earn 30% of their daily reward. Any reward they earn, you earn 30% of it. And then right here, you can earn points also for gaining badges. You can earn points for check-ins. You can earn points for offers you complete. On everything you do on this website, you earn offers for doing so. Coming to the withdrawal section, you can see right here, for as low as 1,850 points, you get $1 Amazon gift card. You can see right here, the minimum withdrawal here is 1,850 points, which when you click on get, then this wallet section over here, this is where you will find the gift card. This wallet section over here, click on this wallet section. When you have withdrawn, when you have clicked enough amount of points and then click on get, you're going to find the gift card right here. This is where you find the gift card and redeem it. This is your profile right here. You can invite your friends. Right here. So I'll be dropping my referral link. As you can see right here, earn 30% of what your friends earn from completing offers. Then your friend will get 300 karma points when they enter your referral code. So almost everything you do on this website is paid. Anything you do on this website, you earn money for doing so. So what are you waiting for? Why not try this amazing website out?